Today I get the pleasure of using my first repair kit for a 5.4 liter. Never tried it this way before. When the threads get damaged, blows out a spark plug or whatever, you get this repair sleeve. It's slightly tapered. It's kind of like a thread chaser, This is how you use it. Here's the plug that's supposed to go in this engine. Here's the spark plug that came with the kit, along with a shorter boot for the coil pack. First thing you're going to do is put high temp thread sealant on this. Put it down, and you need a thin weld 17 socket. Bottom this out into the cylinder head, into the spark plug hole, right? So once we get this bad boy bottomed out, and it'll cut its new threads or do whatever it has to do, get it nice and tight. Come back over and then thread your spark plug for the kit. And this kit was $60. Then you tighten it to spec into here. Then you've got the shorter coil boot that goes on. It's like this long instead of this long. And put your coil on just the same. And it repairs the threads in these 5.4s. And I'm sure Dorman makes them for other models as well, but of course the 5.4 is one of the most common, right? It's on the plug all the way back, so you can't really get anything in there except for a repair kit like this. The other options, taking the head off, taking the timing apart, putting a new head on, or fixing those threads. There's just no room back there. The cylinder we're looking for is the one way back there. See where that bolt's missing? Right around there somewhere. Never used this repair kit before. The guy wants to keep it cheap. He's not paying for... This is the cheapest way. First time trying it. Wish me luck.